let me ask you, do you like dark mode? Because I sure do. This settings is now available for all users. If we look at patch notes for version 2019.4.8, we can see that there is a line that says Dark Theme Editor preference is now available for all users. Amazing! I would guess that any following patch would have also the change. So let's open the patch 2020.1.2. And as we can see, it's also here. So any patch higher than 2019 4.8 is gonna have the change. To install a newer version of Unity, you can use Unity Hub. And under the installs, you can click Add and choose whatever version you want, or you can download any version from Archive, which will lead you to the site that I was in. And after you install version of your choosing, you can just open your project with the version that you just installed. In my case, it was 2020 1.2 F1. And you can just open the project. It will just ask you if you want to convert the project to the appropriate version. I would first make a backup of your project because it can change some things and something might not work for you, so be careful about that. When I install my version and open the project, I already had my dark mode set up, but if you don't, or if you want to change the bright theme back, you can just go under Edit, Preferences, and in General, there is gonna be Editor Theme, and you can choose Personal or Professional. You don't have to restart your Unity, it's just gonna change on its own. And it's not called Dark Theme, it's called Professional. If this video helped you, you can press the like button or the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me in the future. And that's gonna be all from me, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye! Amazing!